Hi everyone! Konnichiwa! I'm YUCa! And here is Supervisor Sui-chan is here. And my family, Mario and Luigi is here. Everyone, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cookie! Sui-chan, how are you today? Good? Good? You are princess today. Hi! Supervisor Sui-chan is now very addicted to the princess. What is your favorite princess? Cinderella. Cinderella. So she likes Cinderella. So bye bye. Princess go to the party. Bye. Okay, now it's all set. And today I'd like to introduce the best 5 Japanese school lunches that people love in Japan. Do you have school lunches in your country? If yes, please let me know how it's like. In Japan, school lunch menus have evolved with the times, but continues to be loved by children to adults. School lunch is one of the enjoyable times for children. Planned by dietitians, the menus are well thought out with seasonal ingredients and food culture in mind, and parents can rely on a different set lunch menu every day. And when it is time for school lunch, the students in charge of serving the meal wear aprons that change from week to week. There are even cafes that offer school lunch menus so that the adults can easily eat school lunch at any time. For more detail, please read my food blog. It's yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. Okay everyone, let's start the ranking. So number 5, it's a wakame gohan. It's a rice cooked with wakame seaweed. This menu item never appeared on the school lunch menu in the area where I lived when I was elementary school student. But my son and my daughter love this dish and always eat it without leftovers. So number 4, soft men, soft udon noodles. Soft men is a boiled udon noodles. There are also various soups that can be served with soft noodles, such as curry udon or kenchin udon, flavored with soy sauce and dashi. And many other varieties can be enjoyed depending on the soups. Then number 3 is a karaage, Japanese fried chicken. Karaage is strong here as well. I introduced my best karaage recipe in my channel, so don't forget to check it out. It's an easy and no-fail recipe. And number 2, the Japanese curry rice. Curry rice for school lunch is a little bit sweet, so that the children can eat. And the Japanese curry roux contains a lot of Japanese ingredients. And on my channel, the curry roux is one of the most popular recipe video. I'm happy for that. Number 1, kinako agepan, the fried bread coated with kinako, soybean powder, and sugar. Yeah, so this is the number 1 for all Japanese school lunch menus. How do you think? So actually, this menu was not appeared when I was a kid, sadly. So that is why I have eaten it very few times so far. And as you see, koppepan is usually used for agepan, and for children, fried bread covered with sugar and soybean flour, kinako, may be a very fancy and luxurious menu for school lunches. And nowadays, you can taste many other flavors at agepan specialty shops. There are kinako, same as this one, or strawberry flavor, or matcha flavor, and cocoa, cacao flavor. And it's the lot. And this is actually the first time that I make at home. Okay, let's taste. Itadakimasu. Very hot. It's very fluffy. The combination of kinako and sugar also goes well with that bread. This tastes like between meal and dessert. ごちそうさまでした。How was today's ranking? Did you find any menu items that you would be interested in the recipes for? If yes, please tell me from the comment box down below. Or I would be happy to hear your reactions or thoughts of this ranking. So that's all for today. Special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Thank you, Luigi. Thank you for watching until the end. See you next time. Bye bye.